What's up guys, welcome to Confusion. As the release date of the Galaxy Note 10 family coming closer, we've been getting lots of leaks about the Galaxy Note 10 family which sometimes confuse us but also give us a better idea of what might be the final Galaxy Note 10. And today's leak is no different, which is coming straight from a great leaker, Ihsan Agarwal. He revealed what might be the battery capacity of the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Pro in addition to some other bits of info. Initially we heard that the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro will have a 4500 mAh battery and the Note 10 standard model will have a 4300 mAh cell inside it, and later on a new report gives us a new and a different information which says that the Galaxy Note 10 standard model will have a 3400 mAh battery instead of 4300, which is a huge leap, but according to today's information both leaks we heard before are wrong. According to a new information provided by Ihsan Agarwal, both the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Pro, which are referred as Project D2 and D2X internally, will arrive equipped with the same 4170 mAh batteries. These capacities could be possible but they may also be wrong because the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro is expected to be more or less the same size as the Galaxy S10 5G, which includes a 4500 mAh battery, but the presence of Samsung's S Pen in the Note 10 Pro naturally means achieving the same capacity is much harder. And according to Iceuniverse, S Pen takes as space as around 800 mAh battery, and also as recent leaks have revealed the 3.5mm headphone jack is also reportedly being removed on the Note 10 family, something that should create more room for a battery. In addition to this, switching out the horizontal camera setup for a vertical one positioned in the corner should also allow for a taller battery and therefore a higher capacity. And if 4170 mAh battery capacity for the Galaxy Note 10 Pro turns out to be true, fitting the same amount of battery in the Galaxy Note 10 seems quite difficult. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is expected to be just 1.1mm taller, 1.6mm wider, and 0.1mm thicker than the Galaxy S10, which includes a 3400 mAh battery inside it. And like the Pro variant, the Note 10 will ditch the headphone jack and adopt a vertical camera layout, but there's also an S Pen which takes space. And if somehow Samsung manages to put the same 4170 mAh battery inside the standard Note 10, then there will be no difference between the Note 10 and Note 10 Pro except its display and one TOF rear-facing camera. And also Samsung Mobile.news replied that Samsung never puts such a weird amount of battery in its device like Apple. Either it will be 4100 or 4200 mAh. So yeah, there you have a confusion. Also it's reported that the regular Note 10 will launch with 128GB of base storage, whereas the Pro model will go for 256GB of base storage, and it will go up to 1TB like the S10 Plus. This is all here. I'll be making more videos to clarify this confusion, so be sure to subscribe for that, and yeah, see you soon.